Can we all agree that waiting to get paid at the end of the month is not ideal? What if your car suddenly breaks down during the third week of the month? Now you don't have enough to fix it for another week. That's why it's always a good idea to have some side hustles that pay weekly. Depending on the side hustle, this could be a few hundred every week or a few thousand. Let's look at some side hustles that pay weekly so that you always have a little extra to fix that flat tire or buy those shoes you've been eyeing for weeks. 6 side hustles that pay weekly. Number 1. Become a delivery driver. Let us start by saying this is an opportunity to make $18.53 per hour. There are plenty of ways to make a living as a delivery driver. You can work for DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber, Uber Eats, Lyft, Instacart, Postmates. There's a whole list. These apps pay you weekly. Most of them have a day of the week on which your earnings are directly deposited to your bank account. Becoming a delivery driver is pretty easy. You have to download the app and sign up. Make sure you fulfill the app's requirements, such as being a certain age and having a license. Most apps also conduct a background check to ensure you don't have any felonies on your record. In addition to the base pay, you can make money from bonuses and customer tips, and you get to keep all the tips. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. Do you want to make $24.14 per hour while assisting professionals in their day-to-day tasks? Becoming a virtual assistant is a good option. Even if you work online on Upwork as a remote virtual assistant, you can charge between $10 and $20 per hour. Your role will depend on the person you work for. For example, if you work as a virtual assistant for a business executive, you may be assigned tasks such as scheduling appointments and meetings, sorting emails, managing travel plans, etc. You can work as many hours as you like. The payment can come weekly, depending on your contract. If you work remotely, you can withdraw your money as soon as you get paid, which is after every milestone or once the contract terms are completed. If you want to work in a physical setting, look for virtual assistance jobs on LinkedIn or Indeed. For freelancing, sign up on Upwork or Fiverr. Your earnings will depend on the number of hours you work and the type of tasks you're assigned. If you're good at what you do, you can make a good amount of money every week. Number 3. Become an online tutor. Another side hustle that pays weekly is online tutoring. If you're a subject specialist or have an educational background, you can become a teacher on a site like Schooly or Tutors.com. Start by choosing a website where you want to offer your services. Pass the verification process by taking a test or providing your credentials. Once you get approved, you can start tutoring students from the comfort of your home. The pay rate depends on the type of course or subject you teach. Tutors.com says that online tutors earn about $30 per hour, but your earnings per hour can increase to $50 or $60 if you teach advanced subjects like calculus. Number 4. Rent your car. Here's a side hustle where you don't have to do anything. Instead, your car earns for you. Turo is an online platform where you can find people to rent your car. All you have to do is list your car on the platform, enter your vehicle's details, and follow the on-screen instructions. Turo does not have any monthly charges or sign-up fees. When someone rents your car, you get in touch with them. They come and collect the car. You get paid for it within 3 days of the trip. Turo says that you earn 65% or 75% of the total trip price for renting your car. The app takes the rest to protect your vehicle. Number 5. Test websites. Did you know that you can get paid for testing websites? It's pretty simple. You can sign up on a website like User Testing, where you can earn up to $10 to $60 per test. After you sign up, you'll have to wait for verification. The app will then connect you to tests based on your expertise and preferences. When you get an invitation to test a website, you have to download the test screen recording software. After that, your job is to test the website and provide feedback. You will get paid for your services in a week. Not all tests on User Testing pay $60. Some pay as little as $3 too. If you want to maximize your earnings, try to look for tests that pay more. Number 6. Do data entry. In a data entry job, you just have to type out data from an audio or video recording. It can be tedious, but it pays well. You can find data entry jobs on freelancing platforms or job boards. Since you want to get paid weekly, look for short-term or one-time projects. Data entry jobs pay $17.92 per hour on average. If you work regularly, that's about $39,063 annually. But since you want to do it as a side hustle, expect to earn a few $1,000s per year. Today, we live in the kind of economy where many people have turned their side hustles into full-time income sources. You might be able to do that too, but first, start small and work your way up. Before you start your next weekly side hustle, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.